My dear student, my friends, all of you, welcome in this beautiful environment, beautiful scenery. Here what we are going to do, see, we are going to learn about the grammar section. In the grammar section, first the basic foundation is the parts of speech, word classes, parts of speech, word classes, kinds of words we can call it. Then always we talking or speaking. In the speaking we use the many types of the words, many kinds of the words, many classes of the words. That in the making the sentences, in giving the speech, while giving the speech or talking, while talking we can use the many types of the words. These words we classified into different types that we call as the parts of speech or word classes. Which are those word classes or parts of speech we can see here? I am telling you, you can note it. Okay, then in English first हमें शब्द के जे क्या प्रयोग करते हैं, बात करते हुए होते, तभी हम अनेक शब्द के जाति या शब्द के प्रकार हम यूज़ करते हैं. वो कौन कौन से प्रकार है शब्द के, वो हम देखने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में. ओके, फिर आइए कौन कौन से शब्द का प्रकार हम देखने वाले हैं और कौन कौन से पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच हम देखने वाले. फर्स्ट है नाउन. इन इंग्लिश we can call it noun. Second, pronoun. Third one, verb. Fourth one, adjective. Fifth one, adverb. Sixth one, preposition. Seventh one, conjunction. Eighth one, interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech or 8 word classes we can use in daily life while speaking or talking. In these process, those words we are going to classify, which are words we call the noun, which are words we call the pronoun, which are the words we call verb, which are the words we call adjective, which are the words we call adverb, which are the words we call preposition, which are the words we call conjunction, which are the words we call them interjection. These we can explain here or we can see here. Okay, then first one about noun we are going to see. My dear friends, what is the noun? Noun is nothing but it is the name of person, place, an animal, a thing or a feeling or a mountain or a river or a place, or it is a name of sentiment, name of defects, or name of quality, or name of invisible things. These words we call as the noun. आपके समझ में आया होगा what is the noun? Noun बोले तो संज्ञा. संज्ञा बोले तो क्या? संज्ञा बोले तो ऐसा शब्द की जिसका हम वस्तु, प्राणी, देश, पर्वत, नदी, स्थान, भाव, अवस्था, गुण, दोष, अदृश्य वस्तु, इस समूह का नाम बताते हैं. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? संज्ञा बोलते हैं फ्रेंड्स. तो संज्ञा के कौन कौन से ये संज्ञा हम कहाँ उपयोग करते हैं, ये हम एक एक उदाहरण एग्जाम्पल लेके हम क्या करेंगे देखेंगे. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ओके, फर्स्ट वी गेट द एग्जाम्पल इन इंग्लिश. Already we known about what is the definition of noun. I explained already. Then take one example. We can, the name of things we can see here. This is the plant. This is a plant. The name of plant. The particularly name that we can call it the particular noun. It is a common noun the plant. Okay, then we can see here some stones are there, we can call it the thing's name. Then we can see there flying, birds are flying, that bird, it is the common noun of a that birds. And we can call the animal names, we expressed in the definition. Animal names means Ravi, it is a person name. Ravi, it is a person name. The animal names are, we can call cow, buffalo, like that. These are the common names. In the noun, we can see the many different kinds. In again, next videos we can explain about that. Okay. Then about the noun, these examples are very important. Then there is a, we can see river name, Ganga river. River name, Ganga river. Ganga, it is the holy river of India. Ganga, it is the noun. Do you understand, my dear friends? Again, which type of example you need? Then now mountain, Everest. Mountain name, it is also a noun. Everest, Mount Everest is the highest mountain or highest peak in the world, we can call it. That is the Everest mountain. That is also noun. Like that, the quality or sentiments or place, this is the very important, beautiful place. We call it is the Belgaum camp area. That's the place name. This is the, like that we can explain the noun. What is the noun? Okay. Okay, then we can see in